It's always a delight to have our next guest, Grammy-winning singer, Miss Patti LaBelle, bringing the hits not only on stage, also in...
I'm happy to be back, dear. How are you?
We're all doing really well. Blessed and highly favored.
Yes, we're so happy to have you on the show.
Yes, we all are.
And we want to say you recently had a birthday in May, so happy belated birthday from all of us here at GMA to you. And how did you celebrate?
77 good years of celebration with an ice cream truck for my grandbabies and stuff like that. Although I had a sugar-free ice cream cone. We partied, we danced, still far apart. We still weren't like close, but we had great fun, cookout, and lots of fun, lots of music, and lots of food.
I bet your grandbabies love that ice cream truck. And also we learned they're contributing to your cookbook now that it's celebrating its 20th anniversary.
Yes, their pictures are on the book, and they can cook. My little baby, Layla, she's 3. She has a YouTube channel, she thinks. She says, bye guys, we're going sushi today. Anyway, she thinks she can cook like grandma, but it's great. Yeah, they're fun for me, Gia and Layla.
Oh, they are beautiful. So, Miss Patti, what are you cooking for us today? What's on the menu?
I'm making my Good Life chicken, and it's chicken parts. It could be any part you like. I chose thighs because they're good. Now take the skin off because that skin is fattening. Take the skin off and you brown the chicken. Can I show you?
Sure, please.
Okay. So this chicken has already been browned on both sides for like 5 minutes. And then I will add the Trinity. The carrots and the green pepper, celery, habanero pepper if you like it hot. I like it hot, but you might not, so you don't have to add that. And so you cook these for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then after they're soft enough or whatever, they can stay firm because the chicken dish is going to cook like 45 minutes or a little longer. And after these are, go. Then you add the chicken, not with your fingers, but I'm doing it today like this. Pretend they're done enough to add the chicken. You add the chicken, and then you add, before you do the chicken, you rub it with chicken broth. And you need no salt for this recipe because the chicken broth is salty. So I have garlic, I have celery seed, I have black pepper, and I have this hot habanero that might hurt somebody. So I will put half of this in. And the fresh garlic, I'll put this in. And then here's the celery, seed, and black pepper. And you know what, Robin, I add stuff as I go. I'm one of those people, I don't cook anything the same way twice. But this is how this goes. And then you add 3 cups of water. Here's 1. And you add 2 more cups of water. And then you put the top on. Okay, I don't want to mess up this shirt. Watch your shirt. So do that. Okay, and as this is cooking, on the side, I make my flour. I whisk it until it's no lumps. And after this is 45 minutes, and check it, and then you can add the flour, water, the gravy. Hush, what's wrong with me today? Add the gravy. And then add 15 minutes after that, look again, and then probably about 20 minutes after that, it's done. Because the thighs were already cooked a bit before I put them in the pan. I'm nervous today, Robin and Michael and George. I'm nervous.
What are you nervous about?
Oh, because this is my 20th year anniversary of this great book. And it's so much fun talking with you guys because I love you all, but I'm nervous. And anyway, there's 3 new recipes in the book. There are pictures, new pictures. Oh gosh, it's just 20 years that the babies weren't born when it first came out. So now they're here to enjoy mommy's, grandmommy's cookbook.
You should not be nervous at all. I'm already in here looking.
Ask me some questions.
I'm already looking at the book at what I'm making later on.
Yeah.
So.
Well, we know you can burn. We know you can burn.
Oh.
And we, you know, been on your cooking show over the years. And what is it about being in the kitchen and whipping up something? And it seems like that's where everybody always gravitates toward, the kitchen and wanting to be in there.
Everybody stays in the kitchen. And you know what makes me angry? When I'm cooking a Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner and they're all sitting in the kitchen saying, I would add that green pepper to it. I said, but you ain't cooking it, boo. So I have to do my thing in the kitchen with no sous chefs, nobody helping Patty, because I'm a Gemini and I'm very spontaneous. So you never know what I'll do.
Yeah.
But it's going to be great, Robin. This dinner is great. And I know you like hot stuff, Robin, so the habanero pepper is perfect for you.
It is. I'll be right over.
Yes,
I'll be right over.
Oh, you have to. And then, Robin, I have the corn, okra, and tomatoes also. It's at Walmart with a lot of my frozen foods, the macaroni and cheese, the biscuits, the cornbread. These are all items that you can get at Walmart. And of course, all those pies and
I'm about to say, where the sweet
That
potato
pie,
pie? Where the sweet potato
that pie
pie?
have been screaming.
Where's the sweet potato pie? In my garage, in the freezer, and at Walmart.
We got
this is the finished dish, you guys.
It looks yummy, and you know we'll take you any way, anytime. Thank you, Miss Patti. Nervous. She wasn't nervous at all.
Honey. And that mashed potatoes, rice, or pasta to it. I love you. Bye, babies.
Bye. And those nails, you can get those recipes on our website, goodmorningamerica.com. The 20th anniversary edition of LaBelle Cuisine. Recipes to sing about, available now.